Funny looking bird, like what? I got nothing. Really got nothing. So, you want food? I got no food. I got nothing for you. I got nothing I can give you. That's right. You're gonna have to go away. That's a vicious looking beak you got there, too. So, are you somebody's pet? Is that it? Do you want to be petted? I really got nothing in here. Nothing I can give a bird. Well, I'm gonna have to move pretty soon. This is pretty weird. Pretty weird. You just like BMWs, maybe? What is it? Freaky. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna have to get going soon. Yes, I know what you mean. Anyways, I gotta get going. So, I gotta get the car in gear. Let's see, gotta turn the lights on there. I'm gonna put it in gear. It's gonna move. Gotta get my seat belt on. Jeez, this is freaky. You're somebody's pet, right? Is that right? Well, if you want to come with me, I'll have to do that, but I gotta get my seatbelt on here. Bizarre.